Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is one of the most amazing ones, is that in October, Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life always does like 30 days of sketches, and she asked if I would be willing to do a sketch, and I did. And so I will show that sketch up in the corner throughout this video to show you what it looks like. But it is one of mine, and it's got tons of layering, tons of everything, tons of just joy. So I decided that because we had to film this back in August, September timeframe for her to do what she needed to do, I did back to school hair for Kaylin into fourth grade? Yes, into fourth grade. So I am using the Paige Evans collection that I have. And this is not this particular page, but it's the Splendid collection. And I felt that this would be perfect for all of the layering pieces that I need to do. So why don't we get started on how this is going to turn out. So let's get started. As you can see on the sketch, there is a ton of layering that I did with this. So this sketch is actually part of my bundle that you can purchase, not just this sketch, but also all of the other sketches that go along with my bundle. And that will be linked down below in my description, along with everybody that is playing on the 24th for this particular hop. Now, the way Christina set up the series is that we had a bunch of us ladies come together and do my sketch. So each day she has somebody on Instagram where she posts all of our layouts. So the people that are part of this is, I know I can bring them up. I am looking at them right now. All right, so it's Dollie, Leanne, Melinda, myself, and then Pamela. All of us now, not all of us has YouTube videos or any of that sort, but in the Instagram for Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, that is where all of our, like if you want to say like our sketches are put together, and she highlights them for that day. So make sure that you go check out Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life's Instagram post. Obviously, I will link the group down to where you can see all of the other series. So this series is number 10. So in the group that Christy has started many, many moons ago, has all of the series from 1 through 10. So you can see all of the sketches that she has used throughout the life of, you know, her series of doing this. I absolutely enjoy doing sketches. You guys see me use them a ton. And so that is why I also made sketches, and I have a class that goes along with it to help you bridge those gaps of like, how do you use a sketch? Why would you want to use a sketch over just a blank slate? And the thing is that with sketches and how to use them, they're really just a starting point. So in the group, in that particular series that I'm doing, it's a 10-week course, and I do go live weekly, but they are on Facebook. So you will always be able to, even though that it has started, you can go back and catch weeks 1 through whatever we have gone, and then be able to come forward. I am also releasing, if you are watching this video, I am going to be releasing my series 2 for my books of sketches. Now that college is almost done for myself, I will be able to hit my business and be able to do so much for it. I cannot wait. I have so much that I want to accomplish now that I'm done with grad school, and I can just teach and not have to worry about doing discussion questions and all of this other crazy stuff that college has asked me to do. So make sure that you go check out all of that information. It will be linked down below in the description, along with everybody that is playing, at least their names. I know that some of them have done a layout. I know for a fact that Dollie's will have a process video. I know that Mel will have a process video. It looks like Leanne will have a process video for that one, and
I'm not sure about anybody else, but essentially all of us will be there. I am super, super, super glad that we were able to do this, and I am so glad that Christy asked me to do a layout or a sketch for her her series. I always love when she asks me to do these because sketches are my jam. Like, I love sketches. I use them all the time. You guys see them on my channel all the time. And now that I'm just taking my love for them and turning them into a part of my business. And I'll make sure that everything is linked down below. Like I said, it is a self-paced course. I will not get rid of the groups, so they will be there. So if you purchase this one later on and now just have the come into it later, it'll still be self-paced. You'll still be able to see everything. So now I'm just on to the embellishments from this, and I just love everything about this. Now, I feel like these embellishments are getting bigger and bigger, but ultimately at the end, I'm making them. I swear, the die cuts just keep getting bigger and bigger every time that they make this stuff. But I do like using them. They are fantastic for this collection. Paige Evans collections are always been my favorite anyway, and that's just, my jam. So obviously the sketch is up in the corner, and you can tell that I did make two different types of embellishment sections and then also my title. Now I changed it completely up. I still put the photos where they are at, but my embellishment setup is completely different. And you know what? That works for me too. The beauty of sketches is, and the one thing that you will learn in my classes that I do teach for my sketches is that I make sure that it is a starting point. I tell everybody that has sketches that this is a starting point for what you want it to look like. So if it doesn't look exactly like the sketch, that is okay. And if it looks exactly like the sketch, that is okay. If you take that there's a bunch of layering on there, but you don't like all the layering, that is fine as well. Either way, that is how those sketches are work. It is a starting point. So what I did is that I broke up all of these pages that I have that I put onto this collection. And just to break it up so that it's got some dimension. So that is what you'll see me finish out here with. And then I do also have all of my splattering will come on as well. And then make sure that you go check out everybody. Make sure you go check out Chrissy from Chrissy's Beautiful Life Instagram post, along with everybody else that is doing this hop for the 24th of October. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.